experience do you have in organizing events po? Both, ma'am. Kung pwede yung good na lang.
Good experience guys, pero a lot of pressure.
Next question, ma'am. What services do you provide po, ma'am?
Okay, I'm actually a promotion officer here. The services that I could offer is, of course,
How do you plan and manage event budgets po, ma'am? Like, how do you strategize or like adjust or budget na?
for the budget naman, okay, what isa yan sa isa yan sa mga critical and also one of the challenge just na kasi need mo kasi exacto talaga yung budget. So, for that, nag-advance kami. And we also coordinate with our purchasing department sila understand the cost of the particulars of this.
Next po, how do you handle unexpected challenges po?
Of course, the reaction. The reaction talaga. Kasi there are things that we can control, there are things that we cannot control. So for that, for those that we can control as much as possible, we have to get be ready for it and dapat may planning yung plan kita. And for those that we cannot control, isa dyan sa pinaka like most important thing is have to consider how do you react to it.
Next po, ma'am. What factors do you consider when selecting a venue po?
The size and also depende kasi siya sa code ng event. So if it's formal, I think for example sa video, I think it's not really the formal. For example, fair, but hindi sa plaza. And also, you have to consider the size. Kasi if yung participants natin sobrang madami, pwede sa plaza. And then, also for for the size talaga.
Thank you, ma'am. Yun lang po, ma'am. Thank you po so much, ma'am.